Art Street Meeting House, November 16th, 2023. I am walking towards the community fridge. There's a food pantry that's connected to the meeting house, and I want to know more about it. This fridge was installed 4 days ago, and free. Anyone can take food from it any time if you need food. And this is really nice. Okay, give what you can, take what you need. Free. What can be donated? No partially eaten food. Okay. That's very important. This is in the West Room, which is the enormous meeting room. It's certainly the biggest one in Philadelphia. Let's see. Nothing in the freezer. Okay. Eggs. Okay. You've got to put fresh fruits and vegetables, non-perishables, sealed packages, bottled water and beverages, dairy bread, eggs. Okay. So it looks like it hasn't taken off yet, but I hope when people see this video, they will donate. This is a very nice effort, and I hate to see it not succeed, because very good intentions. And this is our gorgeous mural that was completed last year that just always looks gorgeous, but in the fall somehow looks even better. All the same colors. So you can walk in through 4th Street, right there, opposite the Wyndham, and just put things in the fridge here. And you can, if you want to tell someone you've put it in, you can go to the front of the meeting house, leave a note at the desk, or you can leave a message for me, and I will get it to whoever would appreciate hearing from you. So, publisher at mjota.org. Susanna J. Dodgson on this beautiful fall day, November 16th, 2023. Looking at this lovely garden full of daisies, and oh my, there's a rose. Rose in the center of the picture, and these lovely trees out the back. And of course the meeting house is gorgeous, always gorgeous.